Discover PROLUXA, our lamellar pergola. Would you like to have perfect protection against the sun and bad weather? Choose PROLUXA. Innovation roof system for your terrace with automatic rotating lamellas, which guarantee natural air circulation. Your pergola may be equipped with slide glass, sliding door system, which lets you separate your home space from your garden with full visibility of your backyard. Linear LED lighting in the roof or lamellas. Heaters will give you warm and comfort in the cold evenings. Zip screens protect you against wind, mosquitoes, and sun. Weather Sensors provides automatic control of roof and zip screens. Steering of all options provided by simple remote controller. Due to special rubber ceilings, roof of the pergola is completely waterproof. Additionally, drainage system is integrated with posts that provides discreet water discharge. PROLUXA, a combination of modernity and functionality.